Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Tichie. Karibu. Make sure to click that subscribe button and join my fam, my tribe, okay? Now in today's video, first of all guys, I've never done a natural hair detox. Yeah, in my 10 years of being natural, I've never done a detox, and it was about time. Now, for those of you who do not know what a detox is, let me explain. So it's where you do a clay mask, a mud mask, whichever way you want to call it. You do it on your hair. Funny thing, I've done a lot of clay masks on my face, but I've never done it on my hair, and we're going to do it today. Yes, it's supposed to help with detoxifying your scalp, your hair, and just kind of like resetting your hair and your scalp. Yes. So without further ado, let's get into the video and I show you how I do my detox. Here are the ingredients that I'll be using for my clay mask. I'll be using some bentonite clay, apple cider vinegar with the mother, aloe vera gel, and water as needed. The main ingredient in this clay mask is bentonite clay, which is negatively charged, hence detoxifies by pulling out toxins which happen to be positively charged. I'll mix it with apple cider vinegar, which activates the bentonite clay, creating an ionic pool needed in the detoxifying process. The mother are the substances you see at the bottom of the bottle. Now you can stop here, but I went ahead and added fresh aloe vera gel, which is a natural humectant, and I added it to reduce the stripping effects of the clay mask. This is from my shamba. I do have an aloe plant. Always use plastic or ceramic utensils because they will not react to the clay compared to metal utensils. I'll start off by cutting the prickly sides of the aloe leaf, exposing the aloe vera gel. And these leaves have been standing on a paper bag to drain out the yellow sap that is usually very irritating on the skin. Make sure you do this to every leaf that you cut off, which is fresh, because yeah, it can be very irritating to the skin. I ended up using 2 aloe leaves instead of 3, and the third one I used it on my face, so it ended up working out great. Okay. So what I did was use a butter knife to scrape out the gel, which in my opinion works, especially if you don't have a blender. This will work great because you'll still harvest your aloe vera gel. But if you have a blender, you can put it in. The thing is, when you use a blender, you'll have to add some water, so it will be kind of like a diluted jelly. But yeah, you have those options. I'm just giving you options, you know. One of the mistakes that I did was not putting this gel through a strainer before adding it to the clay, and I did have chunks and chunks of aloe in my hair, so I do advise you not to be like me. Put it through a strainer. Yes, but you can see how gooey it is without adding any water. So if you just want the concentrated gel itself, this is the way to do it. When it comes to the measurement of the clay, like how much I used, I want to say like a cup. I usually, during my DIYs, I've noticed that I underestimate the length of my hair because my hair has grown. It's not like when I used to do DIY back in the day, so I really end up making a small batch, but I'm supposed to make significantly more. So, but this wasn't the case. A quarter cup worked well. I made another mistake when it came to adding apple cider vinegar. I added a lot. I don't need a lot. Like that one, that is enough. I ended up adding more and more. In this case, I should have added more water because I didn't need to add. That's a lot. I didn't need to add that much. So yeah, just use dilute apple cider vinegar. I can't insist more. And then there you go, putting in the gel without straining it. Don't be like me. So mixing this was difficult because I think if I added warm water, it would have mixed well. Look, another guy. Yeah, I did feel some irritation, some tingling sensation from the apple cider vinegar. Look, guy. I don't know what was going through my mind. So please add warm water. It will help with mixing up the clay and having a more smoother texture. So after giving myself a serious arm workout trying to mix this thing, this clay mask, I ended up coming up with this. Now, the thing is, when I put it on my hand and rub it on my hand, it mixes well, so I was not worried. I just decided let's proceed and apply this baby and see how it works. So my hair has been living in my nappy happy satin bonnet, and if you want one, I'll put details in the description box so you can go check it out. So this is what we're working with. My hair is feeling dry, in need of a pick-me-up, so we're just going to let her loose and then rinse her off and then proceed to applying the clay mask. I leave my hair wrapped up in a kikoi for a minute just to soak up all the excess water. And if you can see some golden brown hair, that's the henna dye on my hair. I do henna gloss treatments on a regular. So let's finally apply this mask, and you can see the consistency is like mud. It is a true mud mask. So the thing I love about it is that, first of all, it goes on so smoothly, and then it clamps my curls, like it defines my curls so well. And it's not just my hair type. I've seen many hair types, and the clay mud mask, it just defines their curls. If you want to see your natural curls, this is it. You can see the clumping and then just the definition. So that's what I love about it, other than its obvious benefits of detoxifying the hair and scalp. Yeah, so many people have said it elongates. I have noticed this with henna gloss too. A henna mask does do the same thing. It elongates your hair, kind of like weighs it down. Yeah, so I've noticed that too, but as long as you rinse it out nicely, you'll just notice your curls or coils bouncing back. So shrinkage is still real, shrinkage is still there. This is temporary. And like all DIYs, you know, this is a messy process. So you can see me using the kikoi, trying to cover myself up just to try and contain this mess. I was generous with the clay mask because I had more than enough, because I ended up adding more bentonite clay and the mixture ended up being a lot, which is, I'm not mad at it because I did it. And tell me why I am detangling my hair at this state. I do not like the idea of detangling with a mask. Even with my henna gloss, henna masks, I do not detangle my hair because it's not the best condition to detangle with a mask. You need to detangle it with something like a deep conditioner, something like a regular conditioner. Yeah, but I was very gentle, so yeah, that's that. And the hair was clamped. The curls were clamped, so I am not mad at it. Look at that. This is how I look when the clay is all over my head and my strands. It's giving me a preview of how I'm going to look like when I'm all gray. But yo, I love it. The hair feels good. So I'm going to leave this in for like 1 hour and then wash it off. I'm not going to let it stay for long. This is all the hair that came out during the application process. I did not intend to detangle, but I'm not mad at it. So just put my hair in these pigtails and then we relax, we chillax. If you want these clips, you can also get them from my store, Apparel and Accessories. I'll put the links down below. This is the mask that is remaining. Not bad. So now we chillax. And this is how we're looking after I rinsed off the mask. Do you remember I told you guys about the aloe chunks? Can you see them in my hair? Like they were giving me a headache trying to remove them. So I had to rinse my hair a couple of times. But yeah, this is what we're working with. I mean, Don't be like me. Stress isikupate. Don't be like me. So other than the aloe problem, my hair is feeling so lightweight. I am so happy. It feels lightweight, no oils, no butters, no nothing, like so lightweight. Your body lightweight speaks to me. I can see that my hair is in need of a trim, so we're going to do that very soon. But yes, these are the results of the clay mask, mud mask, and I am so happy. My hair feels like clouds. Okay guys, so you've seen the whole detox process. My hair was feeling really lightweight. It was feeling like I didn't even have hair on my head because, man, all the products, all the nini, my hair felt really detoxed. Yeah. The only thing is I won't use a lot of apple cider vinegar next time, and I advise you not to do it. Dilute it with water, okay? This is my hair the next day. I decided to put it in chunky twists. The tutorial is on my TikTok. I did a TikTok, so, and an Instagram reel. All my social media links are down below, so you can go follow me over there, check them out. And yeah, I mean, I'm feeling reset. I'm feeling like just relax with the hair because it's in a protected hairstyle, right? The detox worked for me. I'll definitely incorporate it in my regimen. I don't know how often I'll be doing it, maybe 3 times a year. Yeah, but I really liked it. Okay guys, so that's it for this video, but I'll see you on the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.